Hey guys, what's up? This is Paul from Paul Loves Noana, and I'm just checking in with you guys. Just going to show you after the snowstorm what our front yard looks like. So you ready? Ready? Here we go! Ta-da! Damn. Oh wow. That's a lot of snow. Look. Well, they said this is the worst snowstorm for this winter. I'm not quite sure. But, and generally, I hate plowing snow. But I have a new project to make. You see this one? Oh, ooh, wow, it's cool. See that hill? I'm trying to make a snow hill. So, which makes me happy because there's a lot of snow to use. Alright, just checking in with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Keep safe. You know, I'm not quite sure if the snowstorm's already over, but hope you guys are doing well. Alright? Okay, we'll catch up in the next few